Hi friends, today let's see an important question in chapter 1, real numbers. Show that the square of any positive integer cannot be of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3 for any integer q. Solution. So in this type of sum, first we have to write the definition of Euclid's division lemma, and then we have to proceed to the solution as this statement carries mark. So I have written it already. So in the question, it is given clearly the integer is of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3. So in this case, we can say the value of b is equal to 5. Okay. Once we know the value of b, we can write the value of r. We know the value r, it will be greater than or equal to 0 and it should be less than b. Here the value of b is 5. So the r value ranges from 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the value of r ranges from 0 to 4. Yes. Therefore, the positive integer can be of the form of, here by applying the values of the remainder to this equation we get 5q plus 1, 5q plus 2, 5q plus 3 and 5q plus 4. So in the question they have given clearly the square of any positive integer. If it is just any positive integer of the form, we can go directly to the statement, but the statement is the square of any positive integer. Therefore, we are going to apply the square to each and every integer and then we have to find its value. So now by applying the square to the integers. So first case 1. So here it is 5q. Okay. So 5q square. We are applying square to each and every value. So 5q square will be 25q square. We should write it in the form of this. We have to write it in the form of multiples of 5. Therefore, we are just taking 5 as common. We get 5q square. So it is of the form 5m. Case 2. Case 2 is 5q plus 1. Okay. 5q plus 1 the whole square. So it is 5q plus 1 the whole square. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. We know a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So just I'm going to apply this formula here. It will be 25q square plus 2 into a into b will be, it is 10. It is 10q plus 1 square. So I'm going to take 5 as common. It will be 5q square plus 2q plus 1. So it is of the form 5m plus 1. Case 3. Case 3 is 5q plus 2. So again we are going to apply the square to this number. It is 5q plus 2 the whole square. That is equal to 25 square plus 5 2s is 10. 10 into 2 is 20q plus 2 the whole square is 4. By taking 5 as common, we get 5q square plus 4q plus 4. So it is of the form 5m plus 4. Next one is case 4. It is 5q plus 3. So we are going to apply the square to this number 5q plus 3. So it is 25q square plus 5 3s are 15. 15 into 2 is 30q plus 3 into 3 is 9. So it is 9. By taking 5 as common, we get 5q square plus 6q plus, here this 9 we can just split it as 5 plus 4. So we are considering 5, by taking 5 as common we get 1 here and plus 4. Since it is a multiple of 5, we can write this as 5m plus 4. Case 5. So here the number will be 5q plus 4. We are going to apply the square to this number 5q plus 4 the whole square. So it is 25q the whole square plus 4 5s are 20. 20 into 2 will be 40q plus 4 4s are 16. So here we can just split this 16 in multiples of 5. That is, we can write this as 15 plus 1. This 16 we can write it as 15 plus 1. Now by taking 5 as common, we get 5q square plus 8q plus 3 plus 1. So this is in the form of, see here, this is multiple of 5. Therefore we can write this as 5m plus 1. Now we have applied the squares to all the possible integers. See here we have applied the square to 5q, 5q plus 1, 5q plus 2, 5q plus 3 and also 5q plus 4. The values are of the form 5m, 5m plus 1, 5m plus 4, 5m plus 4 and also 5m plus 1. But here the question is, show that the square of any positive integer cannot be of the form, that is it cannot be of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3. Yes, see the values what we got are of the form of 5m, 5m plus 1 and 5m plus 4. So and it is not of the form this. Therefore we can write, therefore we have to conclude the question, that is we have to conclude the answer by writing the statement from the question. That is, therefore the square of any positive integer cannot be of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3. This is how we have to conclude by writing the statement in accordance to the question. Okay. See here. In this type of question, they may ask, say, the same question, it can be asked in the other way. Show that the square of any positive integer can be of the form. If the question is can be, so it will be what? It will be 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4. This is the way they can be asked. Otherwise, they can just change the number. Say here it is of the form 5q plus 2. They may give even the number 3 or 4 or 6, whatever be the number. But the procedure remains the same. See here, if it is the square of any positive integer, so we will be first finding what are the integer values. We will be finding what are the integer values, and then we have to check whether the question is about the square or cube, whatever it is. If it is the square, we will be applying the square to the values. We will be applying the square to all the values individually, and then we have to write the multiples, write in terms of multiples, and then we have to check the answers in accordance to the question given. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.